Hello people of YouTube, it's me again. Just a quick update on this BMW. I've painted the frame with the anthracite grey paint. It's come out not too bad. I mean, it's not perfect, but it'll do. It's an old bike, so that's good enough. I've also repaired or put another backlight on it from another one with an LED style light. A later bike, and I've had to put a resistor in it so the bulb failure doesn't come on. And that's about it really. I'm probably going to change the tyres. Like I say, I've read reviews, these Michelins aren't that brilliant in the wet apparently, and Metzeler Tour Races, I think they're called Tour Races, seem to get quite good reviews and they don't seem too pricey, so I might treat it to some of them. I've not done anything with the ABS yet. I've ordered a code reading tool that will link to my phone. That's not coming for another week or so because it's coming from China, so that's going to be, you know, ongoing, that I think. I still haven't painted the wheels. I've got to do that. That's sort of, you know, probably the next job, but that's about all really. There's not a lot to report because, as I say, I haven't done, I didn't video any of this painting this. I thought, well, nobody's going to want to watch someone rubbing down and painting a motorcycle frame. It's not really that interesting. So it's yeah, I've put all that back on. That was off last week, wasn't it? All this here, the screen and the beak. Still got the odd indicators. And I've repaired this crash bar. I brazed the stainless steel because obviously stainless, that shouldn't be there. Stainless steel, so I've brazed that because I couldn't weld it. I haven't got stainless steel welder. That's about it. And it's not going to be a very big video, this one. It's just a little update, just so that, you know, if anyone does watch it. Not many people will watch the other one, so I don't think it's, you know, going to be well, not a success, but I don't think it's that, you know, if anyone is interested, it's there. Still got to do the tappets. The valve clearances, what do you want to call them. I've had the plugs out. The plugs all look good. Say it had a full service history, so it should be. I've got to paint the frame, the stands, and the wheels. I don't know whether to paint this, these stanchions, bottom of the stanchions. I don't want to paint them that grey colour because I think it'll look too, it's sort of silly, wouldn't it, with that two grey bits at the bottom. So, just a quick video just to keep you updated. Okay, thanks, bye for now.